Hi everyone, thanks for taking the time to listen and see this video. My name is Keeveen White at Cú-Chulainn Driving Lessons Cork. I've just done a short little video here to show you a document I've made up on the sample driving test theory questions. There's about 40 questions here. You could be asked some of these on the day of your driving test, but you should read the rules of the road book up anyway, and you should study it and understand it fully for doing the driving test and thereafter for your driving life. There's a bonus material here, which is a free download of the rules of the road book from the Road Safety Authority site. So if you click here, you'll be brought to the Road Safety Authority webpage where you can download the rules of the road book from. It's free to download, so it's useful to have it as a reference for your driving test and, as I said, thereafter. Furthermore, down this document, I've given you another link, another bonus to the standard procedures for conducting the driving test. That's a booklet which goes through how the tests are conducted for people who have various different requirements for the test. For example, some people might want an interpreter for the test and so on. It tells you how the test is carried out and the procedures therein. And the next booklet then is the bonus 3, the third bonus, which is on how to mark the driving test. Now, if you have had difficulty passing the driving test and you don't understand why, you might well read up this book. It goes through in detail how to mark the test, and it might be of good help to you. I would advise people in such circumstances who have had difficulty passing the test or who might want to pass it soon at their first or second attempt, first preferably of course, but no shame in if that doesn't happen, to read this book, because it's a great book to have. Then I have a list of the 40 questions and so in the 6 pages in the book. And then in the last page of the book, then I have the fourth bonus material on the sign card that they'll ask you questions from on the day of the test. Here, if you click on this link here, you will be brought to one side of the sign card that they ask you questions from the day of the test. And if you click on this link here, you'll be brought to a video on the other side of the sign card that they will also ask you signs from on the day of the test. So the document is fairly decent document. I do think and I hope that it'll help you with your driving test. And whatever happens on the day anyway, or leading up to the test, we wish you the very best on your driving test, and just do your best on the day, and that's all you can do. You can do no more than that on the day. So hopefully this document helps you folks. If you have any queries on it, do leave any queries you have below in the description of the video for me, or any comments. You can get the document off of my website, drivinglessonscork.ie. Now there's a little charge for the document, all right, for its for getting it all up and running as such. It's €3, but I do think it's good value on that. So if you go to drivinglessonscork.ie and scroll down, and it's that green clickable image on the left sidebar. You click on that and you follow through to PayPal and so on, and then you'll automatically get the document to your device from which you can download it. So that's it, folks, for the moment. Again, thanks for listening to the video, and all the best. Bye for now, until the next video.